Bluetooth LE audio is the next generation of Bluetooth audio. According to Sony in a Bluetooth blog post, the biggest wireless audio challenge is streaming latency, which Bluetooth LE audio helps improve. We've provided LE audio latency test on Android 13 video, comparing the latency from LE audio and classic audio. You should follow the link in the description, and check the video if you want to know more about this topic. Sony continues, Bluetooth LE audio also supports Auracast broadcast audio, which is not supported by Bluetooth classic audio. This would enable first-ever usage scenarios such as streaming audio from a single TV to multiple enabled headphones for simultaneous listening by several people. Or streaming announcements direct to any Bluetooth-enabled device, such as headsets within range in airports and other similar public places. According to Bluetooth SIG, an unlimited number of in-range Auracast receivers will be able to join an Auracast broadcast from a nearby Auracast transmitter. In order to use Auracast broadcast audio, you'll need an Auracast transmitter, an assistant, and a receiver. For example, in the TV usage scenario, the TV set works as the transmitter, smartphones as the assistants, and headphones as receivers. The smartphones provide their connected devices with a UI to join the Auracast broadcast, without pairing to the transmitter. In this video, we'll broadcast some music from a Sony Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 13, and receive it with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, Sony WF-1000X Mark Vs, and Link Buds S, all at once. The Xperia works as the Auracast assistant, as well as the transmitter. Now, let us begin our demonstration. We have a Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 13, and connected to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and WF-1000X Mark Vs using LE audio, simultaneously. In device details, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro have LE audio turned on as well as receive shared audio, which is required for joining a broadcast. The WF-1000X Mark Vs also have both features turned on. Currently, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are active. If you tap play icon, the music comes out from the active earbuds. Tap pause icon to stop the music. You can switch the active earbuds if you tap the other buds in device connection. Tap play icon, and the music comes out from the WF-1000X Mark Vs now. Using LE audio, you can connect two pairs of earbuds to a smartphone simultaneously, but you need to select either pair to play music. Now, we are on to Auracast. To start a broadcast, tap the active earbuds in the notification from the music app. Then tap broadcast. The earbuds stop playing the music, but it's being broadcast. Press the volume up or down button. Tap more icon, then broadcast icon, besides the media volume slider. The broadcast screen appears. To listen to the broadcast with the earbuds, tap find broadcasts and select the broadcast name from the broadcast list. The broadcast is output from the earbuds. Tap Galaxy Buds 2 Pro to make them active. Press the volume up or down button to bring the media volume slider. Tap more icon, then broadcast icon to bring the broadcast screen. Tap Find Broadcasts and select the broadcast name from the broadcast list. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro join the Auracast as well as the WF-1000X Mark Vs. The WF-1000X Mark Vs continue to play the music even if they are disconnected from the Xperia. Now we have two pairs of earbuds joining the Auracast, and we want to try another. We'll connect Link Buds S to the Xperia, and make sure they're active. Press the volume up or down button to bring the media volume slider. Tap more icon, then broadcast icon to bring the broadcast screen. Tap find broadcasts and select the broadcast name from the broadcast list. The Link Buds S join the Auracast, as well as the other two. Using Auracast, we successfully shared music with three pairs of earbuds from a single source. To stop receiving the broadcast, tap Leave Broadcast. The broadcast name on the broadcast list is unchecked, and the music stops from the Link Buds S. We'll switch the active earbuds to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Press the volume up or down button to bring the media volume slider. Tap more icon, then broadcast icon to bring the broadcast screen. Tap Find Broadcasts, then Leave Broadcast to stop the music from the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We still have the WF-1000X Mark Vs playing the music. We'll disconnect the Link Buds S first, and reconnect the WF-1000X Mark Vs. WF-1000X Mark Vs become the active earbuds once again. Press the volume up or down button to bring the media volume slider. Tap more icon, then broadcast icon to bring the broadcast screen. Tap Find Broadcasts, then Leave Broadcast to stop the music from the WF-1000X Mark Vs. The music stops from all the earbuds, but the broadcast still continues in the background. To stop broadcast, tap Stop Casting. The music switches back to normal LE audio, and the active earbuds play it again. You no longer find the broadcast on the broadcast list. Finally, tap Pause icon to stop the music. Guess we covered what a single smartphone can do with Auracast. Now, we'll try a couple other smartphones. We have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra running One UI 6.0 and connected to a Sony Link Buds S. We also have a Sony Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 14. In the device details, we'll make sure LE audio is turned on. Now they are connected using LE audio, so that the Link Buds S will output the audio from the Galaxy. We confirmed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra successfully connected to the Link Buds S using LE audio, and played some music just fine. Now we want to see if they can use Auracast. We found no way to start an Auracast broadcast from the Galaxy. But we found, Find a Broadcast, in the device details. We will tap on that, and find no broadcast name displayed. We need to start a new Auracast broadcast with the Xperia. First, we'll play some music we want to share. Then tap the active earbuds in the notification from the music app. And tap Broadcast. Edit the broadcast name and/or the password by tapping Edit icon if necessary. The music stops from the Xperia, but it's being broadcast. When you tap the broadcast name on the Galaxy, you may be asked for a password. Unmask the password on the Xperia, and copy it on the Galaxy to join the broadcast. If we enter a correct password, the Link Buds S join the Auracast and start playing the music. To stop receiving the broadcast, tap Leave. The music stops from the Buds S, but keeps being broadcast. We'll stop the broadcast before moving on to the next smartphone. So the Galaxy no longer finds the Auracast broadcast. Now we have a Google Pixel 8 Pro running Android 14, and connected to a Sony Link Buds S. We'll make sure we have the latest software for the Pixel. In connected devices, we have the Link Buds S as being active. In device details, we have LE audio turned on, but no receive shared audio found on the Xperia, nor find a broadcast found on the Galaxy. The Link Buds S will output the audio from the Pixel. When we tap the active earbuds in the notification from the music app, we had broadcast to start a new broadcast on the Xperia, but not on the Pixel. The sound and vibration on the Xperia, we have broadcast icon besides the media volume slider, but not on the Pixel. The Pixel 8 Pro doesn't seemingly support Auracast, at least at the moment. Let me wrap up this video for you. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Google Pixel 8 Pro all support LE audio. The Xperia 5 Mark V running Android 13 fully supports Auracast, and works as an Auracast transmitter and assistant. The Galaxy S23 Ultra running One UI 6.0 cannot start a new Auracast broadcast, and only works as the assistant. The Pixel 8 Pro running Android 14 doesn't support Auracast yet. That's all for this video. Hope you get the idea on how Auracast works on Android smartphones. Thank you for watching.